Today, we're going to the beach. The sun is out. It's a perfect beach day. I can't wait to build a sandcastle.
Let's pack everything we need. Towels, sunscreen, and toys.
Can I bring my bucket and shovel, Dad?
I'm making lunch. Who wants peanut butter and jelly?
Me! I love peanut butter and jelly.
Don't forget the sunscreen. The sun is very strong at the beach.
I'll pack some cold drinks and snacks in the cooler.
I'm putting on my sandals. Let's go, let's go.
Everyone ready?
Beach time. Hi.
Let's load everything in the trunk.
I call the window seat.
Safety first. Let me help you with your seatbelt.
All set? Let's hit the road.
Such a beautiful day. Perfect weather for the beach.
Are we almost there? I see palm trees.
Look ahead. You can see the ocean.
Wow. The ocean is so big and blue.
Let me take a picture of this beautiful view.
Let's find a good parking spot close to the beach. Perfect. Here's a spot right near the entrance. We're here! Everyone out!
The beach! The beach! I can smell the ocean.
I've got the umbrella and chairs. This is gonna be heavy.
Let me grab our beach bag and towels.
Follow me. Let's walk down to the sand.
Wow! Look at all that sand and water. The sand feels warm under my feet.
How about here? We can see the waves, and we're not too far from the water. Let me set up the umbrella first to give us some shade.
I'll spread out our towels so we have a nice place to sit.
These chairs are perfect. Now we can relax and watch the ocean.
Before we play, let's put on sunscreen. The sun is very strong.
Now can I build my sandcastle? Please, please.
Of course! Let's build the biggest sandcastle on the beach. We need to find wet sand. It sticks together better for building.
I'm filling my bucket with the wet sand.
Pat it down tight so it holds its shape. Ready? Now flip it over carefully. 1, 2, 3.
It worked! We made a tower. Let's make more.
Let's build 4 towers and make a castle with walls.
Let's find some shells to decorate our castle. This shell goes on top of the tower. It looks like a flag. Can we go in the water now, Dad?
Absolutely. Let's go feel those waves. Stay close to me. Hold my hand tight. The waves can be strong.
The water is cold on my toes. Ooh. It feels better now. Can we go deeper? Jump. 1, 2, 3, jump! Can you help me float on my back like you taught me? Look! I'm floating! I can see the clouds!
That was fun.
That was so much fun! I love the beach!
Come here, let's dry you off with your towel.
Look! Someone left a beach ball. Can we play with it?
Sure, but let's make sure no one is looking for it first.
I'll get it! Race you to the ball! I got it! I won the race! Catch, Dad!
Got it! Now catch this one.
Can I play too? Toss it to me.
Keep it in the air. Don't let it touch the ground.
Let's look for more pretty shells before lunch.
Look at this big one! It's pink and shiny!
It's lunchtime. Let's eat our sandwiches before they get too warm.
Yay! I'm so hungry from all that playing.
Let's rinse off the sand from our hands before we eat.
This sandwich tastes so good. Beach makes everything taste better.
Would you like some apple slices? They're nice and crisp.
Shoo! Go away, seagull. This is our lunch.
It's okay. We can share a few crumbs with them.
The cold juice is so refreshing. That was delicious. Now I have energy to play more.
Let's clean up our trash and keep the beach beautiful.
Let's rest for a few minutes before we play again.
Can we go in the water one more time before we leave?
Sure. One more quick swim, then we'll pack up.
This is the best day ever. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Look at the sky. The colors are so beautiful.
Let's just stand here and watch for a minute. This is perfect.
The sun is going to sleep in the ocean.
Time to go dry off. What an amazing day we had.
Let's get dried off and changed before we pack up.
I'll start packing up. Let's take down the umbrella first.
Goodbye, Castles. I hope someone else enjoys seeing you tomorrow.
Everyone grab something. Teamwork makes it easier.
My legs are so tired. But I had so much fun.
There's our car. Almost there, buddy.
Let's load everything back in. We're taking home great memories and shells. Continue straight for 10 miles.
I'm getting sleepy, but I don't want this day to end.
We're almost there. I can see Grandma's street. We're here. Grandma will be so excited to see us.
I can't wait to show Grandma my shells and tell her about the castles.
Grandma! I missed you so much, my precious boy.
Look, Grandma, we collected all these beautiful shells. This pink one is my favorite.
What a perfect day. Beach adventures, beautiful shells, and now we're all together. This is what happiness looks like.